Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you struggle with chapped lips? I definitely do, and so I keep chapstick all over the place. I keep it in the car, I keep it in my bag, pretty much in every room of the house. It is always handy. So this is the classic original, so it does not have an added flavor to it or anything like that. So it just has a really smooth feel to it, and this is what it looks like. It's just a very light color, and you can roll it up this way very easily. And it is the perfect little size to just keep wherever you need it. So it goes on super smoothly, and you can see that it just glides onto your lips. So this is the perfect little companion, especially in the winter time or even in the summer. If you have gotten a sunburn or your lips are just really dry from the summer and the heat, it's such a great product to have on hand. It works really, really well, and I keep it everywhere, and that's my point of view.